Happy Mother's Day, Mama!
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Thank you po sa life at sa love na binigay niyo sa akin. Thank you po sa hard work at sa good school na binigay niyo po sa akin. Sana ingatan kayo po ni Lord at maging healthy kayo always. Sana po makabalik ka na po dito at magluto na tayo at mag-bake.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama! Thank you for all your hard work through these years. And malayo ka man sa amin pero hindi naging hadlang at hindi ka nagkulang sa pag-show ng love mo sa amin. You are the most inspiring and the most strongest woman I know, and because of that, I become the best and better version of myself. Words can express how much we love you and how much we are grateful to you. Lagi kami nagpapasalamat na ikaw yung mama namin, ikaw yung binigay sa amin ni Lord, and I hope na maging healthy ka always and ingatan ka ni Lord. I love you, Ma. Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Bye-bye.
Enjoy your day. See you soon.